Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix the screen record button missing on any Poco phone. Now if you swipe down and open the control center, and if you cannot find the screen record option in your control center, even if you tap on edit and look for it from here, and if you cannot find the screen record option, and if you want to fix this issue, now just tap on done. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now, just open your web browser. Now from here, tap on continue. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now from here, just search HyperOS updates. Now from here, just open this website. Now from here, just search screen recorder. Now from here, just tap on HyperOS screen recorder. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on download. Now from here, scroll down and tap on generate link. Now just wait 5 to 6 seconds. Now from here, tap on download anyway. Now from here, tap on details. Now it will take a few seconds to download the screen recorder. Now from here, just tap on the screen recorder and tap on update. Now from here, scroll down and tap on open. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the control center. Now from here, just search for the screen recorder option in your control center. Now if you cannot find the screen recorder option in the control center, just swipe to the left and tap on edit. Now from here, just look for the screen recorder option over here. Just drag it to the control center and tap on done. And this is how you can fix the screen recorder button missing on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.